Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a BMW. So if you have a BMW guys, any BMW 3 Series 5, X3, X5, Z3, Z4 guys, even 1 and 2 Series guys, and you have play in your steering wheel, okay, you're driving straight, let's say, but you move the steering wheel a little bit and the car doesn't turn and all, and that play guys, even if it's just a little bit, a few millimeters, it's super confusing and it's super unsafe. Now in today's video we'll explain what could cause that on BMW, and this is a common problem on BMW with higher miles. Okay, this is I think the third vehicle that we have like that we need to repair. Now let me guys introduce you to the channel quick. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any recommendations. So let's start on it now. So let us show you now guys. Okay, we'll explain now. If you grab the tire gently, okay, that's your play. You can feel it when you jack it up. And let me show you now. Okay, if you grab the steering wheel guys and you watch the tire at the same time, okay, that play, okay, it's not moving the tire. Okay, check this thing out. The tire doesn't move. If I go more, the tire starts moving, right? But if I just go a little bit like that, okay, this is the play that shouldn't be there. So we'll explain guys, okay, what causes that in a little bit on a BMW. That's a very common issue, and we will show you what needs to be replaced to take care of that problem. So we'll have one person gently turn the steering wheel. I'll go under that BMW guys. Okay, any BMW will be close to that way. And let me explain to you now. Okay, this is called outer tie rod. Okay, this tie rod connects to the wheel hub, also known as spindle. Now, if that ball joint gets wore out here guys, you will develop a play. That's reason number one for play. Reason number two, this is inner tie rod. Okay, our boot is broken here, so we definitely need to replace it, but we don't have actually any, okay, I don't notice any play in the inner tie rod. If you turn the steering wheel, let's turn just a little bit more, okay, and if you grab things here, you will be able to feel things moving. Okay, you grab your tire with two hands and move it, you'll be able to notice if that outer and inner tie rod, they have play. You might need a second person to move the tire so you can see where the play is. But in our case, it's not here, it's somewhere else, and it's a little bit hidden. So I'm under that vehicle now guys, and we're going to turn the steering wheel a little bit. Check this thing out. This steering wheel joint, also known as coupling I think, is wore out. You can see the play guys in the bolt. Okay, that's what's causing it. We'll go ahead, remove it and show you where it's wore out, and we'll explain what needs to be done to replace those. Usually almost every vehicle will have those, not every, but most of them will do. So this is guys that old steering wheel coupling, okay, that joint, and check this thing out. There is quite a bit of play right here. These bolts, okay, they have quite a bit of play. Everything is wore out, so that's what's causing the play in our steering wheel. This is the new one. Okay, it's way more tight. It doesn't have any play. Definitely feels really good. If you want to see guys where we get our parts from, check it out. It will be listed in the description of the video below. You can find the link. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching us, and see you guys next time.